Hey, security partners. This is Joe Gallagher, and I am your cybersecurity partner specialist. And guys, I'm reaching out today about a recent forecast by Gartner. Gartner projected an 8% decrease in IT spend for the remainder of 2020. So CIOs are looking to tighten up their wallets and maximize their current investments that they do have. So over at Cisco Security, we have two great solutions for CIOs during this time. These are two platforms that they get for free as long as they already have Cisco Security Products installed in their environment. The first one is Cisco Threat Response. It is a free platform for investigations for an environment. The second one is going to be launched next week at Cisco Live, and that's actually SecureX. And SecureX is great because it's a cloud-native open platform that integrates other third-party vendors, because we understand that your customers are going to have many other vendors within their cybersecurity practice. So why not let's incorporate them into this one platform that really orchestrates all of the alerts and notifications in an environment, one easy place to understand what the heck is going on in their environment. So guys, these are two great free platforms that your customers could utilize during this time where they're not really looking to spend much more money than what they currently have. And Chris Miranda and myself are looking to help some partners out and help navigate and activate some of these platforms. So CTR and SecureX, once it launches next week, with some of your guys' customers. So guys, if you want to get this started, reach out to Chris Miranda or myself, and we could help you get started with this journey. So thank you very much, and happy selling.